Anyway, welcome back to the channel, guys. This weekend we was actually due to go camping in North Wales in Barla, but due to the COVID everything's got cancelled. A massive hair on my face somewhere. So last night I just sat in front of my computer, did a bit of a search to see if there's somewhere we could potentially come with a van just to do a little, well, we didn't know whether we was going to do an overnight camp, but what we did, we planned to do it. So I had a search, found somewhere, prepped a bit of food, some rice and some veg to do a stir fry, and then we've come up here and hopefully we're going to be able to stay the night. There's a couple of cars here, but I think they're just day walkers and they'll sort of clear off before the sun goes down. We're going to go for a mooch now up the top of these, sort of this ridge, this rocky ridge here. Looks absolutely epic. Maybe get a sunset photo if the sun's still out. Come back, make our tea, which is dinner if you're not from the northern regions of England, and then yeah, maybe later on, as I said, if these cars clear off, might even sneak a fire in. So stay with us, stay tuned, we'll take on our adventure. See me now, but we've just been sort of chasing the sunset. We have to keep going up and up just to keep in line with it. Got to the top of this little summit now. It's quite nice, really nice view. Probably can't make it out on this camera, but I'll try. Just going to go back down the other side, round. Yeah, it's a little walk really. I'll pan it round now and show you what it looks like. Just having a mooch around here. It's really, we've got really lucky with a nice sunset, because for the last few days all it's done is rain. It's a pretty epic location. We've got a river. We've got a Riley who's probably going to end up in the river soon there. Oh yeah. We've got like a bit of a, we're mistaken for the Rockies, the Rocky Mountains. Once that sun touches the top of them, it glows, it's beautiful. Turn that thing down. What? Radio. Just going to make our some food now. I'm not even sure you can see me or hear me. Got a red light on. A bit of stir fry for us. See that cooking. Oh.
I need to sort you out. I've put my door yet. I've got plenty of bags.
Yeah, chuck all that in first and then chuck chicken in and then chuck rice in. I've got it on mine. It's in there's options for it. Extra or something. I can't remember. Give us a minute, let's just try and get a bit of moisture off the rice so it doesn't clump up. Finishing off our stir fry now. We're not going to be filming for long because this is the second battery and it's already flashing up, but it needs another one. So we're just going to have a tea now. Maybe have a fire later. We'll just have to see. We're on our own now, literally nobody. With us, we always packed up. That's it. All them cars have gone. It's just us and the birds. So yeah, I'll switch it off now because the battery's going to die. But if we've got anything more interesting happening, I'll see if we can film it for you. Further than that, we'll see you in the morning. Morning people, I'm just going to make a quick brew now. We've been up since about 4:30, 4:45, it's now 6 o'clock. We've just been sat listening to the wind and the rain howling past us. So the weather from yesterday is a little bit different today. We're going to make a quick brew and maybe get some breakfast going. Just waiting for it to come light. Then we're going to head back out. I don't know if you can hear me, but we woke up this morning and the weather's a lot different than it was yesterday. It's absolutely howling down. We're still the only people here, just us and all this scenery to ourselves, all around. We're just going to make some breakfast now I think, and then we're going to shoot off home. This has been our first sort of wild van camp. Went alright to be fair. So yeah, we'll get some breakfast on now. Oh, we're on a slant, that's why. Right, yeah, right, squash them into that bit of a... Yeah. Really, we need to...
Oh, I touched it. Is that what you did yesterday?
No, they wasn't as big as this yesterday.
Did you pick the biggest ones? Is it nice? Yeah.
Well, we'll just have to see how many there is for all of them now.
I don't want a dead
Oh, that looks well good, that, doesn't it? Look at that.
That's red and pink.
Put that, let me just check that business out.
Look at Kaylin.
She nearly cried. It's coming back, don't worry. Never take another man's pancake.
Come across and put some trees in it.
Do you know, you've got 3 lakes, right? There you go, Kellen.
Oh,
Enjoy your little self. Ah, it's right out underneath that.
Look at that. Princess cow. Princess cow. You've got it right. Queen.
You might need to assist me with the... Right, we're going to end the video here, guys. It's probably not going to be a long video this time because we only did a an overnight stay. Well, thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.